Avocado is an amazing natural food with lots of health benefit, but many people don't know the best ways to use it. In this video, we'll explore how avocado can improve your health and how to get the most from it. So, why is avocado so special? It's packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that are great for your overall health. Unlike many other foods, avocado's healthy fats and nutrients make it a powerful addition to your diet. Avocados are full of monounsaturated fat, which give them their creamy texture and taste. These fats can help improve your heart health and reduce inflammation. They lower bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol, which is great for your heart. To get the most out of avocado, it's best to eat it raw or only lightly processed. Mixing it with other foods can reduce its health benefit, especially its healthy fat. We'll show you the best times to eat avocado to make sure you're getting all its great benefit. Now let's talk about the best time to eat avocado. The ideal time is in the morning after you wake up. Eating avocado on an empty stomach is fine because its healthy fats and nutrients can give you a good energy boost to start your day. These fats help raise good cholesterol and kickstart your metabolism, giving you better energy, focus, and mental clarity. On the other hand, eating avocado after a big meal isn't the best idea. Its high fiber content can make you feel too full and uncomfortable. It's better to eat avocado when your stomach isn't too full so your digestive system can handle it better. Eating avocado before your morning workout is also a great idea. The healthy fats provide energy that helps you exercise longer and perform better. Plus, avocados are rich in potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps and keeps your electrolyte balance in check. So having avocado before your workout can help you stay energized and perform well. Even with all these benefits, some people make mistakes when eating avocado. Let's go over some common mistakes to avoid so you can get the most out of this superfood. Number 1. People with sensitive stomach. Avocados are packed with nutrients, but they might cause some digestive problems for people with sensitive stomachs or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. They have a lot of fiber and healthy fat, which can be hard to digest, especially if you eat too much. Fiber is good for digestion because it helps keep things moving in your intestines and prevents constipation. But if you get too much fiber at once, it can actually make your digestive system work too hard. This can lead to constipation, bloating, and gas. Fiber soaks up water in your digestive tract, which makes stools bulkier and helps with regular bowel movement. But if you eat more fiber than your body can handle, your colon might have trouble forming soft stools, leading to constipation. To avoid this, it's important to drink plenty of water and eat avocados in moderation if you have a sensitive stomach. A good serving size is about 1/3 to half an avocado per day. This amount allows your digestive system to handle the fiber and fats without getting stressed out. If you have a sensitive stomach, try adding avocados to your diet slowly and pair them with easy-to-digest food. For example, you can eat avocado with plain rice or blend it into a smoothie with low-fiber fruit. This way, you get the benefits of avocados without upsetting your stomach. Number 2. People with kidney issues. If you have kidney problems, you need to be careful with how much potassium you eat. Potassium is an important mineral that helps your body stay balanced and keeps your nerves and muscles, including your heart, working properly. Avocados are a good source of potassium. One medium avocado has about 975 milligrams, which is about 21% of the daily amount you should get. But if you eat too many avocados, you could end up with too much potassium in your blood. This condition is called hyperkalemia. It's a big concern for people with kidney disease because their kidneys can't remove extra potassium well. When too much potassium builds up in the blood, it can cause serious problems like heart arrhythmia, muscle weakness, and in extreme cases, heart attack. For people with chronic kidney disease, managing potassium intake is really important. Hyperkalemia might not show symptoms until it's severe. When it does get bad, you might feel palpitations, shortness of breath, chest pain, nausea, or muscle fatigue. If you experience these symptoms, get medical help right away. If you have kidney issues, it's crucial to talk to a healthcare professional or dietitian. They can help you figure out how much potassium you can safely have and suggest foods that are lower in potassium. They might recommend cutting back on high potassium foods like avocados, bananas, and potatoes, and eating more fruits and vegetables that are low in potassium. Number 3. People who are trying to lose weight. If you're trying to lose weight, it's important to be careful with how many avocados you eat. Avocados are very healthy. They have lots of good fats, fiber, and important vitamins and minerals, but they also have a lot of calories, which can make it harder to lose weight. One medium avocado has around 240 calories and 22 grams of fat. While these fats are good for your heart, they still add up in calories. To lose weight, you need to eat fewer calories than you burn, which is called a caloric deficit. Even though avocados can help with weight loss in some ways, eating too many can actually make you gain weight. So it's important to control your portions. A good amount is about 1/3 to half an avocado per day. This way, you can enjoy the healthy fats and nutrients without getting too many calories. You can add avocado slices to salads or sandwiches, or blend half an avocado into a smoothie for a nutritious boost. Adding avocados to a balanced diet with lots of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help you feel full longer, which might stop you from snacking on less healthy foods. The fiber in avocados helps with digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied, which is good for weight management. Just remember to eat them in moderation and balance them with other low-calorie, nutritious foods to keep your diet healthy. Number 4. People with latex allergy. If you have a latex allergy, you need to be careful with avocados. Some people with this allergy can have a reaction to avocados because of something called latex fruit syndrome. This happens because certain proteins in latex are similar to those in avocados. So, your body might confuse avocado proteins with latex proteins and react to them as if they were harmful. This can lead to different allergic reactions. For some people, it might just be mild itching or swelling, but for others, it can be more serious and lead to a life-threatening condition called anaphylaxis, which needs immediate medical help. The proteins causing this issue are called profilins and chitinases. You can also find profilins in other fruits like bananas, kiwis, and chestnut. If you have a latex allergy, it's very important to talk to a healthcare professional before adding avocados to your diet. An allergist can do tests to see if you're allergic to avocados and give you advice on how to stay safe. It's also a good idea to know the symptoms of an allergic reaction and have a plan ready, which might include carrying an epinephrine auto-injector, EpiPen, for emergencies. If you experience any allergic symptoms after eating avocado, it's best to avoid it and seek medical advice. Number 5. Avocados and diarrhea. Avocados can help with diarrhea because they're high in fiber, which absorbs extra water in your intestines and helps make stools firmer. But if you eat too many avocados, they might actually make diarrhea worse. Avocados have a sugar alcohol called sorbitol, which can be hard for some people to digest. When sorbitol isn't fully broken down in the small intestine, it moves into the large intestine. There, it pulls more water into the colon, which can lead to loose stools and diarrhea. A medium avocado has about 7 grams of fiber. Fiber is good for digestion because it helps with regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. But if you get too much fiber, it can upset your digestive system, causing bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Also, avocados are high in fat, which take longer to digest. Eating too many fats can lead to a condition called steatorrhea, where fat isn't absorbed properly and ends up making your stool loose and oily. To avoid these issues, it's important to watch how many avocados you eat and pay attention to how your body reacts. Eating avocados in moderation is the best way to enjoy their health benefits without negative effect. If you have IBS or other digestive problems, start with small amounts of avocado and slowly increase them while keeping an eye on any changes in your digestion. Quick reminder, this video provides information for educational purposes. If you have any medical concerns, it's important to consult with your doctor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. And we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.